So today we're going to go ahead and go over the questions in your benchmark that we are going to count as a test grade for you for next grading period. So this is the percent part, and there were 2 questions. So make sure that you are taking notes and watching what I'm doing in order for you to solve this. I'm going to just show you one method, and hopefully you'll be able to do that with your retest. So here's the first question. A college basketball game is 40 minutes long. Derek's favorite player participated for 60% of last week's games. How many minutes did the player participate? So remember, we have to determine what each of those represent. So we have the part over the whole number, and that will give you over percent over 100. And we're going to use cross products, so that means I have to set it up correctly. So in order to do that, we need to determine, is 40 minutes the part or the whole? Since it's saying it's 40 minutes long, the game is 40 minutes long, that's telling you it's the whole thing. So that's going to be your whole number. So I'm looking for my part because they give me the 60%, and that goes over 100. So now all I have to do is multiply 60 times 40. So 60 times 40. So 6 times 4 is 24. Add the 2 zeros at the end. And then I'm going to divide 2,400 by 100. So if I cross out a 0 on each side of them, then that means it's going to be 24 minutes. So Derek's favorite player participated 24 minutes of the game. So make sure you take your notes and understand this so you'll be able to solve your retest questions later on. Okay, here's the next question. The table below shows the top 5 video apps downloaded in 1 month. So you have Face It, Chat-A-Lot, Who's There, Next House, Talk Buddy. And these are fake apps, so just to let you know. If there were 500 total downloads, so they already gave you the total here, which was 500. What percent of the total downloads were Chat-A-Lot? So this is what they're talking about. So they gave me the part, and they gave me the whole number. So I'm going to go ahead and put that 120 over 500, and it's equal to x over 100 because they didn't give us that information. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply this. So 120 times 100. So the way you do this is 120 and add the 2 zeros, so 12,000 divided by 500. Now to make it easier, I'm going to go ahead and cross out the zeros. So now I'm go ahead and divide it into 120. So 5 into 12 is 2 times, which is 10. Remainder's 2, bring the 0 down. 5 into 20 is 4 times. So that's 20, remainder 0. So that means this is 24%. Now sometimes they won't give you the total, so when they don't give you the total, then that means you need to add this information in order for you to get the total amount. So make sure that you always have a total amount on your table. So this is the end of the reteach, sorry. So go ahead and try the retest. Make sure that you are understanding this method, and go ahead and try it out on the 2 questions in the retest. Good luck.